RadhaRani here, and I am opening this package I got in the mail today. So, here it is. It's raining right now here in Hawaii, and it's just like really dreary outside. The rain just came out of nowhere. Ooh. This is a package I got from my mom in the mail. It's super nice. It was from Aria. It's a rain jacket. Rain jackets! Perfect for this dreary weather. Here, let's see if you can see a little bit outside. Yep. Rain. Rain. So much of the rain. And I've been seeing lightning for the past few days, but no rain. And then the rain finally came right now. So here's the jacket. And what's super cool is that's the North Face. And it's Gore-Tex! I love Gore-Tex because it's just super waterproof, like no water leakage at all. So I always recommend Gore-Tex. Let's try it on. Oh my goodness! It fits perfectly. And the sleeves, they aren't too long or too short. Look how nice that is. Let's take a better look. Oops. Oops. Oh no, all my stuff is falling off the bed. Okay. Ooh, look at how nice that is. Ooh. Super awesome. Yeah! Okay. Let's see the bag. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the hood. Yes. Thank you, Mom. Hurry ball. And now I'm gonna stay dry for this dreary weather. Peace out.